Tonight we are in Vaughan, where the National Congress of Italian Canadians is holding their national meeting. A new board of directors was elected, and the new national president is Silvana Tibollo.
We represent Canada, from the East Coast to the West Coast to the North. And we're an umbrella organization. The other organizations fall under our premises. So we are there as the voice for the Italian Canadians in Canada. We're trying to set up ourselves so that our future generations, our children who take pride in Nonna Sunday lunch, in the art, in the fashion, have something to say, hey, that's where my family came from. Our values stay with us no matter what.
I know that she's very passionate about all things Italian, and the Congress today is probably more relevant and more important than ever, given the threats we have from the United States with the tariffs, and trying to build more of our national identity, which is to incorporate and to really celebrate all the different cultures that make up our unique country, Canada.
Part of the mission is to bring in the youth, to keep the youth interested and to keep our traditions going, to keep our values going. So we got to honor our past, we got to keep working hard in the present to make sure that we keep things moving forward, and always for the benefit of the community and to attract our youth.
It's wonderful that Silvana, coming from Toronto, there's a natural rotation between Montreal and Toronto, and now this is her turn.
That's all from Vaughan. Thank you for being with us.